Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. As always, drop those tickers and questions in either the YouTube chat or the pre-market chat, prep chat, whichever works best for you. Vince coming in strong with CEI. Always kind of funny how these things repeat. You know, CEI, probably the most successful of all of the the sketchy YouTube, Twitter pumpers, the names we shall not name. They're like Candyman. Don't say their name, or they'll like jump out from behind your couch or something. Anyway, but it is kind of funny here. A few days later, CEI is back. Everyone talking about obviously COSM, CEI's got a reverse split coming. I personally just say wait till afternoon. It worked well on COSM, so I don't know. I don't like the early guessing games on these. Wait till afternoon. Hell, it worked on COSM. I mean, it just when it comes to these, not getting shook out. Now again, obviously you can get shook out anytime. It's not like it was COSM was easy to trade by any stretch of the imagination, again, unless you just bought and closed your eyes and crossed your fingers. But I just think that the afternoon moves, especially in the extremely volatile stocks, I mean, like, we love volatility, okay? There's like every day we're looking for 50, 100% runners. But then you go with a COSM, it's just it's a completely different thing. So I would say CEI, afternoon only. I'm just afraid that the bubble will burst right at the open. And yes, that's probably very conservative, but I want to keep you safe. ENSC, former low floater, and news. Volume still a little light. Let's take a look at this headline. This is new, right? I didn't look at the date. Yep, today's 19th. Yep. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, this opioid stuff. Okay, yep. Opioid former runner. Man. Volume still a little light, and just this huge gap down from the other day. Man, 9:45 or later. I wouldn't touch it pre-9:45. And again, when we talk about, why, in how do these rules get applied, etc., it's just, I mean, just absolute brutal beatdown chart. So, SMMT, yeah, still hanging around. Had higher hopes for this last week, really. Still same. I think you wait for 4. Sure feels like something's coming with SMMT. It's like, I really thought that, especially after, what would this have been, the 13th? Yeah, I mean, I really thought that this thing could, do that Friday type move. But the bummer is, when something like COSM happens, it's I mean, a lot of you were probably guilty of that. I mean, on Friday, COSM happens, and everybody just kind of forgets about everything else. So I continue to like SMMT. I continue to like it as a possible squeeze. It is nice. Still near the highs after all that. But just let the alerts do the job. So SMMT still in play for sure. Let alerts do the job. SLNO, low float with news. Oops. Hey, somebody's dumb enough to give him $60 million. Holy crap. Up 2. All right. up to 60 million. I mean, hey, they suckered somebody into giving them money. Pow. Basically a dip and rip on Oracle. I still wouldn't. I wouldn't touch this one pre 945 either. You know, there's the, and again, it'd be different. It'd be different if SLNO was trading like 5 million shares or something. It's just right now. You had a nice gap up, sure. It's holding, sure. Very dubious news. The more dubious the news, the better. But, just, I mean, like, look at this thing. It's like, hello. So, 945, I guess. Just mainly because of the volume. So, VKTX. Whoops. Higher float. Yeah. Afternoon VWAP hold. Man, this stuff sucks, man. Anybody got anything good? COSM red to green. How about that? How crazy is that? Almost did it at 4 a.m. I mean, you could use the Oracle levels all the way up on this freaking thing. It'd be, I mean, again, please stay safe, but give me something. Give me something good. I ain't seen it. I wish. A lot of you asking about the bounce day on Tesla. Trade dip and rip, you know. But I mean, just have realistic expectations. You know, I mean, the thing with Tesla is I think there's two ways to trade it. Long-term hold. We all know Tesla's going to all-time highs. We've discussed this. We know it's going there. It's going back to all-time highs. Now, it may take 6 months. It may take a year. It may take 2 years. That's the kind of time frame. If that time frame doesn't suit your time frame, then you ignore Tesla. You can day trade it, but, I mean, you basically got to use options because, you know, you guys got a small account. Difficult to trade something like $150 and make any sort of appreciable gain. So that's the two ways to trade it. I mean, trade dip and rips with options. I don't know, you know, so. NH, red to green. Ran up on Friday, 2 million float. Did a reverse split the other day. Yeah, hey, there you go. I like NH. I like this. Well done, NH Warg. Low float. Recent reverse split and gapping in pre. What do these guys do? Not that it matters, but healthcare provider. Technology that simplifies healthcare. Blah, blah, blah. I like it. NH is decent. So a lot of stuff out there. I don't know, just early in the morning, nothing really exciting me. ICVX. We got all day. Ooh, this thing squeezed the end on Friday. Nice. 11. We got any chat pumps this morning? Hey, check the breaking news, boys. Nothing jumping out at me on the breaking news, boys. Tough TBLT. It is quiet, my friends. A lot of true penny stocks. Is Coors doing anything? Coors, I would use the Oracle levels. Coors is still in play. I mean, CEI could get wacky today. I just think afternoon only because of I think that there could be a very similar repeat of COSM. Well, listen, I'm not saying this is going to go as high as COSM, but I could see, just a morning of halts and wackiness and annoyance. Again, a lot of you guys asking about, is today a day to be more conservative? Yes. I mean, guys, I'm sure you can hear it. I'm actually on the road right now. I forgot to turn the webcam on, but the long-time members, I'm sure anyone that's been here for a few months or more, you can read the room, as we always talk about. And I'm sure a lot of you realize, just by listening to my enthusiasm, that is there an A+ setup out there right now? I'm not seeing it right now. It's obviously 8:44 a.m. We got 45 minutes to the market open. We got an hour till 9:45. We got 6 hours till 2 p.m. We got the whole day. But listen, flat out, if you got a bunch of Christmas shopping you need to get done, you got some errands you need to run before the family comes to town, okay, maybe this morning's the time to do that, okay? So, and again, 99% of you are part-time traders. One of the things I try and do here, and actually I'm glad a few of you asked this, one of the things I try and do here is give you a read and be like, holy crap, do not leave your computer, okay? You need to be laser focused on these 3 stocks today. Oh, these are perfect setups. Don't shut off your phone. Eliminate distractions. Don't go anywhere. Today, I can also give you the read of like, hey, okay, you got a bunch of family coming to town in a couple days. You got to get a bunch of groceries. You got to clean the house. You got to make sure that the snow's cleared away so grandma doesn't slip. There you go. Come back this afternoon, reassess. I'll be live on the noon daily double down video. All right. Stay safe, my friends. I am not seeing a B+ or above setup. I got half a dozen B-. So, all right, my friends, it is what it is. As I always say, you could be frustrated for lack of setups, or just take advantage of it. You know, that's what I always try and do, okay? Especially when we go through these very, very busy periods. There's times I barely leave my desk, okay? I look at days like today as be like, oh, hey, all right, I can get something done today. If my alerts go off, different story. No alerts go off, hey, I got stuff to do. So, all right, guys, have a great day, and we will see y'all next time. Where's my little, there it is.